Back over here where we're getting the doors and the windows done. Got my mask on. But yeah, if you're new here, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Got my Gabon colors on. Yeah, you'll see it. You'll see it. You'll see it. Alright, y'all. I'll show y'all what's going on here. Finna get the doors, I guess. Or at least pay for them.
That's the main one.
Rain on that one.
The main one is good now. That's the main door. Lean back.
Yeah, y'all. Like I said, we got to get the doors. Told them I ain't about to walk the building down that way. The building down that way. It ain't that far. It ain't that far down there. I damn sure ain't about to carry these motherfuckers doors. We gotta find somebody to pick them up. A truck or something. I know I ain't about to carry shit down there. I thought that's what he was talking about. But he said the county commissioner or somebody keep worrying him about the doors or some shit. So we got to get them. Well, yeah.
Okay, that's last minute.
I think that's the big window. The back door, the big window. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's the bathroom though. Bathroom though. I think that's the front though. I don't know. Oh no, I don't know what is what. What this is? What that is right there?
What?
What this is?
This one. That's the window, the bigger one.
The big window.
Biggest window.
Okay, what about the door?
The biggest window in front.
What about the front door?
The front door?
Yeah.
This is the front door. This is right here.
Oh, I can't see. I can't see. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. I forgot about that one. Yeah, that's the front door right there. The front door. I forgot about that. Yeah.
You need to look for a car to come and carry you.
And we got to find a truck.
Pay him like 5,000.
We'll be back. Be right back. Mango trees. See the fruits? Mango trees. That's a big ass mango tree. We got fruits on it. Mango tree, big old mango tree. That the dude did the windows and the doors. ain't even put the nails all the way in. I don't know what he did
That's his
right
number.
there. I don't know what he did right there. So we back at the building.
Number.
Who number that is?
Oh boy.
Yeah. I guess he's through with the top. I don't know if it's leaking or not. I don't see no spot, but it could be leaking or something. Ain't no telling. Still got a long way to go. Roof done. Look like he beat on it or something. Why they so bent up? Why they so bent up and shit? Like, you see how they bent? How they look like somebody been beating on them or something.
One day. It's bent like that because he was trying to bend the place because it's not like that. As he bend the zinc, that's how that was.
That shit look
That's
rough.
why we get it like that because that spot the zinc is too light. Also because the zinc was not like to bend it. That's how it's supposed to be. It's not like that. It has to be like that.
You don't see where the rain coming in at, do you?
That's what.
I don't see no spots.
No, how can you see it?
I'm just saying this
How will
shit.
you know it was so? We were supposed to come here better yesterday. It was supposed to be that yesterday.
I damn sure won't finna come in no rain. I ain't finna do shit in the rain. I'm gonna let y'all know that.
It was
If
really,
it's raining,
it was really raining. It was really raining so powerfully on Saturday. But now we are now on today's Monday. We didn't come here on Sunday. We're supposed to be here on Sunday to know if
it's raining. I ain't doing shit. I ain't doing shit in no rain. It could be raining and they say it ain't raining. Like, what the fuck is this falling from the sky? What is this? Somebody pissing? Cause I see rain. They'll tell you it ain't raining though. Yeah, man, I'm gonna cut this video right here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for the progress report. All right.